great suggestion for today's recipe. You should make something which is spicy, tangy, and really something tasty that you can have with rice.
Okay.
2-3 rounds, mix it with rice and eat it with nice papad or vadam. It should be so good. And you should also be able to keep it in fridge and use it.
Store and use it. Yeah. Okay.
And the Mari do one recipe.
Okay. Then only one recipe comes to my mind first. Vatha Kuzhambu. Okay, so there's lady's finger. So in Amma style, let's make a lady's finger Vatha Kuzhambu. Amma is there. Today she'll show how to make Vatha Kuzhambu.
Oh, great idea. In fact, Vatha Kuzhambu has multiple styles of making.
Correct.
Correct. Like I am used to my mother's way of making, which is my mother makes it thick, viscous and concentrated. Whereas my mother-in-law makes it a little watery.
Correct.
Diluted. But both are incredibly tasty.
Yeah. Amazingly tasty. So let's see my mother's style today.
Great.
Okay.
In fact, I'm already feeling hungry. Okay.
Come to my kitchen. Let's see how to make this delicious Vendaka Vatha Kuzhambu. To make this delicious lady's finger Vatha Kuzhambu, you will need lady's finger, tomatoes, tamarind. Then to temper, you will need sesame oil, fenugreek seeds, mustard seeds, channa dal, urad dal, asafoetida, some curry leaves, turmeric powder, sambar powder and salt to taste. Now, if you do not have lady's finger, you can always make this Kuzhambu with 2 onions. Now, let's start making this delicious Kuzhambu. First step, before we start making the Kuzhambu, you soak lemon-sized tamarind in warm water for 10 minutes and we are going to extract the juice. If you don't have tamarind, you can even use store-bought tamarind paste. Use around 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of the tamarind paste. And for the lady's finger, you wash the lady's finger well, pat dry it and then cut them into 1-inch pieces. And then proceed to make the Kuzhambu. If you are using onion, you can slice them thinly. So heat a pan and add oil. This is around 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil heats up, add mustard seeds. Now add the urad dal, channa dal. Add your fenugreek seeds, that is the methi seeds, and your asafoetida. Now add the turmeric powder. Keep your gas in low flame and also add your sambar powder. Around 2.5 to 3 teaspoons of sambar powder. Okay, you can see it has started bubbling, so immediately stir it on low flame. Add the curry leaves and now immediately add the tomatoes. And the lady's finger. If you are using onion, add the sliced onions. Now add little bit of the tamarind juice which you have extracted. Just around 1/4 cup. Amma, why we are adding tamarind juice?
If we add tamarind juice, the lady's finger and tomato will cook very nicely with that tamarind
Flavor.
Or if you want to sprinkle some water, that is also enough.
But this will give more taste.
Yes.
Taste tip. Thanks, Ma.
The vegetables are off cooked. Now I have diluted the tamarind. See, I am 200 ml tumblers. I am putting diluted that much of tamarind.
We are adding 4 glasses. 3.5 glasses. Now add salt and let this mixture boil nicely. It has to reduce and it has to thicken a little bit and reduce in quantity. So it has to boil now. Evlo nerama boil anu? How much time? Around 15 minutes? 15
yeah.
So for 15 minutes let it boil on low flame. So to get vibrant color and also for great taste, you add little bit of Kashmiri chilli powder. How much ma this is? Half teaspoon. Half teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder. This is an optional step, but gives a great color to the koramba. Around 20-25 minutes now, the tamarind water has shrunk and the lady's finger is also cooked beautifully. If you want it more thick, you can heat it for a longer time so that it becomes more thick, or you can even use 1 teaspoon of rice flour. You can dilute it in 1 or 2 teaspoons of the same koramba water and add it to this, and it will thicken. The koramba will thicken. So that's another option you can use. We are not going to use it. This koramba is going to boil for another 5 minutes and then we're going to switch off. You can see the oil is floating on the top. The koramba has thickened. I'm going to switch it off.
Uma, amazing, super, spicy, tangy, wow. One word, wow.
Amma, thanks to Amma, her recipe.
I think you should all try it out at your homes and share your feedback with Uma, and any other recipe suggestions you have with Uma similar to this Vatha Kuzhambu, please do share with her. Do like her channel, do subscribe to her channel, and also share it with your friends. Okay, stay safe, stay healthy.